with so much going on in the sports world, I want to let all my streamers, and if you do this in videos and things, know how to get that thing right at the top of the screen that you're seeing right now, showing me all the football news. You can do this for any sport. I'm talking football, basketball, soccer, football, and like, you know what I'm saying, baseball, anything you guys want to be able to do. So let me show you guys how to get this specific one on top of your screen. So what you guys want to do is go to overlays.uno/home. Once you do that, you guys gonna want to sign in. So, you know what I'm saying, you go here, I'm already signed in, but boom, it's in my overlays. And what you want to go to is this thing right here, RSS sports ticker. So you go ahead and you open that up. And when you open that up, it's going to give you a bunch of options of things. So for me, I want the I want ESPN's NFL news. You could do Fox, as you can see, all of the sports. You could do CBS, ESPN. You choose which one of those you want to do, which one of those you want to do, whether you want it to go left or right. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put mine up at the top right there so you can see it as it changes. So that you can name whatever you want. I mean, that's if you do something custom, but like if I wanted Fox MLB, watch the top change. Boom, Fox MLB. You know what I'm saying? Fox NFL. Fox NFL. And it says it over there at that left way point. So let me go back to these who's right here. So, I mean, that's basically how you do it. And if you want to know how to bring it into your stream to see it, you go up here, right? Copy output URL. Once you copy that output URL, it's finna be a lot of me. Boom. Once you copy that output URL, you're going to go down here. As you can see, I'm right here by sources. You go down to sources. You add a browser source. I'm going to just name it. Oops. But whatever you want to name it, boom. Then you just paste that URL right there. Once you paste that URL, boom, it's right there. You can see it's right here for me, and you can just extend it, stretch it however you want it, whether you want it to be down here, whether you want it to be up here. You can do whatever you want to do with that information right there. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what else you got. Matter of fact, hey, just drop a like, subscribe, man. We in the big 2026. I'm trying to get this channel rolling.